now the button's working. All the buttons are working. I can zoom in and I can zoom out.
Johnny, check him look at ons transitions and great boy.
What do you mean? Like this?
Yes. Like that, mate.
Oh, okay. Cool. Transitions, locked and loaded. There's the train. Whoa! How about that? You know what?
Safe as with slow-mos, mate.
Oh, great. That sounds like a wonderful thing. What you doing there, matey?
Just safe as with slow-mos, mate.
Oh, great. That sounds like a wonderful thing. There was. So that's a beautiful B-roll palm tree right there. B-roll palm. Yo, how the hell do you expect me to get over there? Yo, bro, it's cold. But look at this gun. Look at the size of this gun, bro. Look at that. Cool. Well, I'm freezing my ears off. Hello. How's it, buddy? Oh, big old porker. So we are at Scarborough. It's starting to look a little more stormy. What strange manner of creatures are those? I must investigate. There she goes. Oh, Mariner's Wharf. Yeah. That's the one. So we went down there. Pretty cool. It feels like I'm in a little pirate's village. So can we walk around there by the boats?
Yeah.
That's completely legal.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
It's Africa.
There's the captain down there. How's it? How's it, little biddies? Right, where to next?
Maybe stop at the next harbour. Then we're going to Llandudno.
break on the right hand side should be promising. Yeah, that'd be one of our last opportunities to get some big waves, and then we're done. Alright, sounds mighty scientific. Let's go. We are on our way to where we're gonna have some lunch, maybe record a few cool time lapses and big waves. Who knows? Llandudno's. Anyways, see you later. California, you look like you're representing, bro. It also looks like you got a friend on your shoulder. A little honeybee. As I get it off. Honeybee, you need to just leave now. Sorry, man. Have a good day. Goodbye, sir. Have a good day. Let's go from here to a nice little time lapse. We'll do that right here. Yeah.